For the best price, click the link in the description. But here's what surprised me about the NESCO food steamer and rice cooker. It's not just a simple kitchen gadget, but a game changer for health-conscious home cooks who want to cook nutritious meals without sacrificing flavor. /N. As I started using this product, I realized that most food steamers on the market are limited in their functionality, often requiring multiple devices to achieve perfect results. But NESCO's innovation lies in its unique design that combines a food steamer with a rice cooker in one compact unit. /N. But why is this so important? Well, cooking methods can have a significant impact on nutrient retention and overall health benefits. Steaming is an excellent way to preserve the delicate flavors and nutrients of vegetables, but traditional rice cookers often fall short when it comes to maintaining optimal moisture levels for perfect grain texture. /N. Therefore, I was thrilled to discover that NESCO has addressed these issues head-on with their food steamer and rice cooker. With its advanced steam technology and precise temperature control, this device ensures perfectly cooked food every time, no more overcooked or undercooked meals. /N. But how does it really work? Let's take a closer look at the features that make NESCO stand out from the competition. /N. The NESCO food steamer and rice cooker boasts a stainless steel construction with a durable nonstick coating, making cleaning a breeze. The compact design takes up minimal counter space, while the detachable steam basket allows for easy food placement. /N. But what really caught my attention was the included accessory pack that includes a recipe book, measuring cup and serving spatula, all of which are dishwasher safe. /N. Therefore, with its impressive feature set and versatility in cooking various types of rice, this product is an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen game. /N. Now let's dive deeper into the benefits of using a combined food steamer and rice cooker, as well as some tips on how to get the most out of your NESCO investment. /N. One of the primary advantages of a steam-based cooking method is its ability to retain nutrients in vegetables. Since water-soluble vitamins like vitamin C and B are easily lost during high-heat cooking, steaming becomes an attractive option for health-conscious home cooks. /N. However, it's not just about preserving nutrients. Steamed food can also be incredibly flavorful when done correctly. NESCO's food steamer and rice cooker uses advanced steam technology to ensure that your vegetables retain their natural sweetness while infusing them with a hint of tender crispiness. /N. But what if you're looking for more than just a basic steaming experience? The NESCO device also comes equipped with customizable cooking settings, allowing you to tailor the temperature and cooking time to suit your specific needs. /N. Therefore, this product is an excellent choice for anyone who wants to explore different cuisines and experiment with new recipes without sacrificing nutrition or flavor. /N. Now that we've discussed the benefits of using a combined food steamer and rice cooker, let's talk about some real-world applications and scenarios where NESCO shines. /N. For instance, if you're planning a family dinner party, this product is perfect for cooking large quantities of rice while simultaneously preparing steamed vegetables. /N. However, what really impressed me was the ease with which I could cook specific types of rice, whether it's Japanese short grain or Mexican-style long grain. The NESCO food steamer and rice cooker made quick work of perfectly cooked grains every time. /N. Therefore, this device has become an essential addition to my kitchen arsenal, and I highly recommend it to anyone looking for a versatile cooking solution. /N. Now that we've covered the benefits and features of the NESCO food steamer and rice cooker, let's talk about some common misconceptions and myths surrounding combined cooking devices. /N. One common myth is that combined food steamers and rice cookers are too complicated to use. However, I can confidently say that this product is incredibly user-friendly, even for those who are new to steaming or rice cooking. /N. But what if you're concerned about the extra time required to prepare multiple meals? NESCO's food steamer and rice cooker actually saves you time in the long run by streamlining your cooking process and reducing food waste. /N. Therefore, with its advanced features and user-friendly interface, this product is an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen game without sacrificing nutrition or flavor. /N. Now that we've covered some common misconceptions and myths surrounding combined cooking devices, Let's discuss the value proposition of NESCO's food steamer and rice cooker, \N. At the end of the day, it comes down to this. Do you want a device that simply gets the job done or one that truly revolutionizes your cooking experience? The NESCO food steamer and rice cooker is more than just a kitchen gadget. It's an investment in your health, your time, and your culinary skills, \N. But how much will this revolutionary product set you back? With its impressive feature set and versatility, I believe the price point of $49.99 on Amazon is an absolute steal, \N. Therefore, if you're serious about upgrading your kitchen game and taking your cooking to the next level, click the link in the description below to get the best price on NESCO's food steamer and rice cooker, \N. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.